Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is lecture number 10. The name of the paper is Introduction to English Literature 1. The topic is metaphor. This lecture is specifically for the students of BS English first semester GDC PABI and also for the students of those colleges which are affiliated with Abdul Wali Khan University. This will be a brief lecture. Metaphor, once again, like a simile, it is based on the comparison of two things. Once again, the similarity is based on one quality which is similar. But in this case, the words which we used in simile, like the words as and like, which we used in the simile, the words as and like are not used. And an implied simile word would be enough for describing it. It is an implied mean hidden simile. But we do not use the word as or like or as dash dash as. This meaning of one word is taken from one item and applied to another item. And this is also found in its literal meaning. Literally, meta means over and pharaoh means to carry. So in this case, the meaning of one is carried over and is applied and extended to another. For example, if you call some lady a flower, you are using the word a flower which is fit for one item, but you are using it with another item, the woman. Without using the word as or like, you are saying that she is a flower. Of course, you are taking the common point in the two, and that common point is the beauty of the two. But as it is not apparently mentioned, the similarity is not mentioned, not even the words of like and as are mentioned. Therefore, we call it an implied simile. Implied means hidden simile. So, metaphor is like that, and it consists of two words, meta and pharaoh, both Greek words, which means carrying over. Carrying over means to extend the meaning beyond the original area of application and apply it to another. So the word is transferred or carried over from the original object with which it is used to another object, as I gave the example of the flower and the woman. So calling the woman a flower, this word flower is transferred and is carried over from the flower to the woman. So it is therefore an implied comparison, and the comparison is not mentioned clearly. It is also called a compressed simile because in normal simile we use the words like she is as beautiful as a flower. This as beautiful as are omitted, and as a result to compress it and you say she is a flower. So therefore it is in the compressed form, and therefore it is called compressed simile, also called implied simile or hidden simile. And these words are omitted. For example, in these two examples, calling camel as the camel is the ship of the desert, we are not saying that camel is like the ship of the desert. We are saying that it is the ship of the desert, and as a result, this carrying over of the meaning from the camel to the ship and from the ship to the camel is given. The same is the case here. He is the pillar of the state. He and pillar are compared, though apparently they are very different things, but there is the common quality of holding the whole state is there in them, and therefore it is called a metaphor. तो मेटाफर को उर्दू में सुन लें. मेटाफर जो है ये एक छुपी हुई सिमिली है, यानी इसमें सिमिलरिटी का आंसर पाया जाता है, लेकिन दो चीज़ों को जिनका मुआवजा किया जाता है उन को लाइक और एज के लफ्ज़ के साथ नहीं किया जाता, डायरेक्ट किया जाता है. अगर आप कहें कि अली शेर है तो ये मेटाफर होगा. اگر آپ کہیں کہ علی شیر کی طرح بہادر ہے تو پھر یہ سملی ہوگا. تو یہ اس میں بھی سملی کا معنی تو چھپا ہوا ہے. اور میٹا کا مطلب ہوتا ہے اوور، یعنی کیری کا مطلب ہے لے جانا، کیری اوور. فیرو کا مطلب ہے کیری اور میٹا کا مطلب ہے اوور. تو کیری اوور کا مطلب ہے ایک جگہ سے دوسری جگہ لے جانا. آپ ایک جگہ سے لفظ لے جا کر دوسری جگہ پہ اپلائی کرتے ہیں، تو اسی لیے ہم اس کو کہتے ہیں کہ ورڈ ٹرانسفر ہو جاتا ہے، کیری اوور ہو جاتا ہے. اور یہ کمپیریزن امپلائڈ ہوتا ہے، چھپا ہوا ہوتا ہے، اس وجہ سے یہ امپلائڈ سملی بھی کہلاتا ہے. کلیئرلی واضح طور مینشن نہیں ہوتا. یہ کمپریسڈ بھی ہوتا ہے کیونکہ جب آپ کہتے ہیں وہ شیر کی طرح بہادر ہے تو لمبا ہو جائے گا. آپ اس کو کمپریس کرتے ہیں، کہتے ہیں شیر ہے. کمپریس کا مطلب ہے مختصر، کنڈنس. اور لائک اور ایز کے لفظ omit ہو جائیں گے. جیسے یہ الفاظ ہے، the camel is the ship of the desert. اونٹ یہ صحرا کی کشتی ہے. he is the pillar of the state. وہ اسٹیٹ کا یا ملک کا پلر ہے، بیم ہے، جس نے سہارا دیا ہوا ہے اسٹیٹ کو. تو یہ ایک مختصر سا لیکچر میٹافر کے بارے میں. تھینک یو اینڈ گڈ لک.